Hi guys, Nick Miller here today from Mark Supply Company. Today I have for you a 2006 John Deere 328 rubber tired skid steer loader. This is a non-admission skid loader. The 328 is 82 gross horsepower. These are a nice big size machine. I just put 4 brand new tires on this machine. They were $310 a piece. We went through the quick patches. There's no oil leaks. They're all original paint. I have several of these are going to be coming up for sale. This unit has a block heater on it. Sheet metal is really straight. Very clean machine. Brand new 78-inch CID heavy-duty smooth edge bucket with it. We're going to start you back here at the engine compartment. We're going to take you completely around this machine. The unit's going to have a weight kit on it. 4 weights each side. Brackets are good and straight. One ding here at the back corner of the boom. I want everybody to see. It doesn't affect anything. Just pointing it out. Back door opens and shuts nice. These are powered by a 5-cylinder John Deere 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. They start and run excellent. These engines have a lot of power. They're good starting motors in the wintertime. They do start and they'll idle up and then idle back down. They will have a little wee bit of emission smoke when they first start. As when I say emission smoke, it's they had to turn up the throttle on these when they first start to meet tier. Obviously, this would have been 2 emissions. There is no DPF. There is no urea. There's none of that garbage. This will still blow black smoke. We went through and changed all the filters, engine oil, fuel, air, hydraulics. Everything has been serviced. There's, again, no oil leaks. These are actually very, very good clean machines. Side panels all come off, which we showed in our pictures. Weight kits, again, all original paint. You can see how straight this machine is. For $3,299 machine, it is extremely straight. These belong to a general grade contractor and were used for supplementing in their business. They've done some concrete work also, but generally machines are all scratched and scraped and smashed up. These machines are extremely straight. All decals are original. We did replace these. They just had some cracks and stuff in the decals, so we replaced these, but everything else is all original. Up front, again, new 78-inch bucket. Watch it, that's slick. It's wet. Standard 2-pin skid loader quick attach. We have been through everything. Pins, bushings, excellent. Auxiliary hydraulic, standard flow. You can see all paint here is original. Look at the cab, very straight. Grab handles are straight. Generally, you'll see these are dented in from guys hitting stuff. It's not. There's no welds on the boom. Boom is still very good and tight. We'll hop up in here. I'm going to show you inside. Seat is in very good shape. There's a couple little wee starting wear cracks right here, but it did not warrant to replacing it. Factory seat. That is the original seat to the machine. Armrest package. Standard controls, hand and foot. Auxiliary up here, horn package. They're not a very frilled machine like has in a lot of features, but it started here $32.99 on the hours. Codes, no codes. What we do here? RPMs, volts, hydraulic temp, water temp, fuel, and water temp lights work. Auxiliary bypass. So on a Deere, this is going to be your auxiliary hydraulics. Again, I have several of these machines going to be for sale. This is the first one. We just got done, serviced. We're good. Buckle the seatbelt. All safety equipment works in this, as far as your parking brakes. And I'll show you all that here in a second. I'm going to run this machine around and show you it does everything it's supposed to do. Fellas, you can see there. This is back, in my opinion, when they build a skid loader. You know, everybody today, they're buying a 10, 11,000 pound machine, and we're buying these freaking machines. They're 74 horsepower. They're gutless because we're meeting emissions of no urea, or it has a DPF on it. The damn thing's choked up so bad, it has no power. These things go into the pile, and they just want more. And you see how that machine works. It's unbelievable the power these old machines have. Just like John Deere made a CT 332, which was basically this machine with a track system on. They're just an animal. That thing is a really good running, working, heavy lifting machine that will run and run and run and run. And this is something simple to work on. We've had virtually hardly any problems with the Deere. We like them. The 300 series is an excellent machine. The 200 series has had their faults. They honestly did. But these 300 series machines are excellent. We have not done a whole lot to them at all. Basic service, pins, bushings into quick attach, that kind of thing. But they're a very good running machine. Again, they have a lot of power. If you're looking for a machine that is dependable, here's something to take a look at. I kind of really like these old machines. So if you have any questions, 814-658-3066. Like I said, I'm going to have a couple of these coming up for sale. $32.99 on the hours on this one, new bucket for brand new tires. I spend my money on stuff going through my equipment, so I know what I have. So there again, I do things just a touch different than everybody else, but that's who I am and that's what I want to do. So 814-658-3066. Check out our website, www.marksupplyco.com. Check us out on Machinery Trader, Tractor House. We're glad to help in any way we can. Keep in mind right now, if we're freighting a machine to you, you know, right now in freight world, it's 2 days, 2 weeks, could be 3, 4 weeks. We don't know. We'll gladly work with people who understand freight's went up. When diesel fuel's $4 a gallon, what do you expect? Nobody's going to haul anything for free these days. But, you know, if you got questions on freight, call and talk to us. But listen to us. We will walk you through it. I'm not going to BS you and say, oh, yeah, we can get that moved in a day or two. It is what it is right now. We will help you and we'll work with you. So just be good with us. We'll be good with you. And we'll do everything we can to help. So 814-658-3066. Thank you very much for checking out Work Supply Company as always. Have a great day.